last Fitbit Charge 3 tracker was announced in August, and now we know when you can buy one, October 7th. Charge 3 will start at $149.95 for the core version and $169.95 for the special edition model equipped with NFC that supports Fitbit Pay. The Charge 3 offers a completely renewed design of the Charge 2, with a high-resolution touchscreen, a more premium aluminum body and Gorilla Glass 3 taken from the Versa line. It is also water-resistant and features better heart rate and oxygen sensors. But perhaps the most important thing is that it has an even better battery life. Fitbit claims up to 7 days, compared to 5 in Charge 2. Charge 3 will be released on the 7th, but the Fitbit website says some features will not be available until after launch, including the ability to send quick answers on Android, third-party applications and support for Windows Phone devices. In addition, Fitbit has announced that it will open enrollment for its next Fitbit Labs Sleep Score beta program starting in November. The beta Sleep Score will give Fitbit users a single nightly score to summarize their sleep the night before using heart rate data from the latest Fitbit devices including the Charge 3, of course.